once again.
Hello again, Jimmy here at O'Reilly's, and today we're looking at a Peugeot Boxer long wheelbase, and it's got a problem with the DPF, and it's fitted with this engine. It's a 2.2 HDI or TDCI engine from a Ford Transit. So we'll come inside, start it up and see what message we're getting. Check engine, DPF cleaning, keep the vehicle moving. And she said she's tried to keep the vehicle moving already, so we're going to do a manual clean on it. And I don't know if you've seen these vans before, but they are quite known for the vaporizer being faulty. Well, hopefully this is not the case on this one. We can just go through it and figure out if it needs just a clean, and if it needs a vaporizer we'll go ahead with that as well. So we're going to run a diagnostic scan and see what faults we're getting up. Atomizer for injection of the fuel and exhaust internal fault. Particulate filter driving conditions not met. So it looks, well, this one is intermittent atomizer, and then we've got the particle filter. Regeneration has not been met. So we'll have a look underneath the bonnet. There is a fuse which can be blown for the vaporizer. So we're going to remove the headlight to access the fuse panel. Now we've got the headlight out. Gives you access to this fuse panel here, so we can open it up. A couple of screws. Open. We can lift it up, get it out. And it should be this fuse right here, this white one. Put that down here and have a look at it. So this fuse seems to be okay, it's not blown. It's always worth checking that, because a lot of the times on these vans this fuse is blown, which causes the vaporizer not to work. So we'll put that back. Okay, so what we've done is reset all of the faults, reset all of the parameters and everything on the DPF. But we have noticed that once we start the van, you'll listen. It's got a massive leak from somewhere. It sounds like a manifold leak. So that would be causing issues with the DPF. We're going to have to go underneath and have a look, see if we can locate that. And we've already filled up the DPF with some of this cleaning fluid. You can see in some of our other videos, we've got some videos on the same van doing DPF cleans, and we've put this in the DPF. And we used our little squirty bottle here to dispense it. Underneath the van you've got the DPF here, and if we look over here, these tubes, we've got this lower one here, the grey one. We've disconnected that and filled the DPF with fluid in through here. The DPF's full. So we have now found the whistle, where it's coming from. If you look up there, someone's tried to do a bodge on the turbo inlet, and there's a crack on it there, which is making a whistle noise. So that's going to need to be fixed as soon as possible. But we'll carry on with the DPF clean for now, and we can get the part ordered for that and come back and fix it. just going to let that run for a while. No more faults there, so all is okay. Okay, so we're all done on this vehicle. It's been fixed and test drived and all is okay, so we'll move on to the next vehicle. Okay, so on this Peugeot Boxer, you can see there it had the vaporizer or atomizer fault. Now a lot of times on these vans the fault is caused by a blown fuse, and the fuse obviously is caused by a dodgy part, but in this case we've took this fuse out, it's fine. Re-put the fuse back in and the fault has disappeared on that one, so hopefully he doesn't need a vaporizer. Just do the clean and see how it goes. If the fault does come back, it will be back to fit a vaporizer on it, but at the minute it looks like maybe just moving the fuse out and putting it back in, it's fixed the connection. And so yeah, we'll finish up now and see you at the next vehicle and our next video. Good luck, see you later.